Among the spectators are only two who are supporting the Faroe Islands, but they're coming from Brazil. How can that be?
Yeah, we come to Brazil. Actually, we are on vacation, and then we saw about the game, and we came here to support the Faroe team.
How can that be?
And it's going to be perfect. We hope they will win.
How can it be that you are supporting the Faroese team?
Because we have been in the Faroe Island before and we loved the place. So we got in love with the island, then we are here to support it.
You are going to the Faroes this summer.
Yes, we are going to the Faroe in June.
There's some special things you're going to see there.
Yes, we hope to see the puppies.
Didn't see them last time.
No, it was winter, so we couldn't see the puppies, and then we decided to go again next year just to see the puppies.
You must have a great game and a great trip to the Faroe Islands.
Yes, I hope to see a great game, and I hope to have a great travel there.